Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing.
Memories are fragile. What if you could perfectly preserve your childhood memories? What if you could capture every detail of your creations? Or keep with you every important book you've ever read? Introducing the Caesar Aura Scanner. We wanted to create a scanner that was fast, a scanner that was able to create the most optimal digitization intuitively, and a scanner that lets you scan anything. But most of all, we wanted to create a scanner that fits seamlessly into your work and life. A scanner so smart and intuitive that it enables you to retain your knowledge, memories, and creations in precise and beautiful detail.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with Hexbot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05 millimeter high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. Hexbot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. Hexbot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. Hexbot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on Hexbot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with LazerBlade, controlling Hexbot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control Hexbot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring Hexbot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
Hi, I'm Dominic DiGiorgio, and this is the LazerBlade. It's the affordable entry-level laser cutter for the everyday hobbyist. The LazerBlade will let you cut and engrave many different types of materials, including wood, paper, leather, and even acrylic. It's simple, sturdy, and very easy to use and assemble. The LazerBlade is available in both A4 and A3 sizes. We wanted to make the LazerBlade as useful as possible, so we incorporated a 2-watt laser diode as standard. This level of power gives you the ability to work with a wider range of materials, making faster, cleaner cuts. To handle this increased power, we designed a unique laser unit. This cleverly directs airflow not only to cool the laser, but also divert fumes away from the lens and the cutting zone. It allows you to adjust for different material heights, and most importantly, helps protect your eyes from the laser. The LazerBlade is available as a partially assembled kit. Assembly is easy even for a beginner, since all the tricky parts have been pre-assembled for you. The kits come to you with everything you need to start lasering, including power pack, anodized focus tool, a USB cable, and pair of safety glasses. We include detailed, easy-to-follow instructions. If you can snap things together and use an Allen key, you can have the LazerBlade assembled within 2 hours. Using the LazerBlade is also easy. It simply plugs into a USB port on any PC or Mac and has homing switches built in to initialize the laser position. You control the LazerBlade by sending it cutting files. That means it'll work with any software package that generates standard G-code. To make life even easier and help you get the most out of your LazerBlade, we've formed alliances with 2 software developers who have created LazerBlade-ready versions of their programs. We're proud to be supported by Vectric, the creators of Cut2D Laser, and John Champlin with Pick Laser Light.
Hello, I'm Ben. My friend Alex and I set up a company called Migo. We want to change the way our things are made, and we're really excited about showing it to you today.
Well, we think anyone who wants to should be able to make their own things. So we're taking tools that you'd usually find in a factory, making small, simple versions of them. And today, we're releasing our first one.
Meet the Migo FormBox. It's a factory that fits on your tabletop. It works with any vacuum cleaner and a whole selection of different materials. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The FormBox molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop, so you can bring your first collection of products to life. Start a business from your kitchen table. Use everyday items to customize your creations. Work with different materials, even chocolate, so you can make professional grade products good enough to eat. Sometimes you don't want to design something from scratch. Explore our online library of projects to see what other makers around the world are sharing. Even use maker machines like your 3D printer with the FormBox. Multiply versions of your prototypes without the weight and get a factory level of finish from your home or studio. We've meticulously designed the FormBox to fit with your life and your ambitions. Making should be simple and not take much time, so you can push the boundaries of what you can make for your customers, your friends, and for people all over the world. We've been testing it with makers and small businesses for the past year, and developed a series of prototypes to get to a design we think you'll love.